Hey you guys, welcome back to today's video. Today's video is going to be all about hot new makeup that are hot new makeup releases. I don't know what I was trying to say, but that is what we're going to talk about today. I have a bunch of things that I want to talk to you guys about. I want to get your opinions on. I want to see what you guys are thinking about when it comes to these makeup products, and I kind of want to chit chat with you guys. I had some time tonight. It is very late tonight and I'm not tired, so I was like, why not film? And there actually are quite a few things that I kind of screenshotted and I wanted to talk to you guys about. So if you guys want to talk about all the new makeup that is launching and you guys want to hear my thoughts on it and why I am or am not going to be buying it, then just keep watching. So the very first one I wanted to talk about is the Beauty Blender foundation. Now, this, we all know, the shade range selection sucks. Ever since Fenty came out with her shade selections, like, you're just like, don't even try me. It's one of those foundations where I was like, maybe I'll try it. If I don't find my shade, I won't be too disappointed, but if I find the shade that I really matches me, I may try it. The next one I have here is the Colourpop Cosmetics and Kathleen Light's release, and I watched her video all about it, and after I watched that, I was like, wow, she knows so much about signs, you know, that kind of thing. I myself never got into it. I don't ever see myself getting into it, while I do think it's cool, and some of the stuff I read up on it, I'm like, wow, like, it can get really in-depth. But I was really excited about the palette because I thought they had some really cute colors in here. Obviously, the colors are more so inspired by their color signs, is what she was saying. So it's not going to be the most perfect palette. It's going to be, what was she saying? It wasn't going to be visually appealing, which I understand because she's really trying to cater to all of the signs, but I thought that the colors alone were really pretty. I have not bought it. I know that it sold out when it first launched and they did a restock. I'm wondering if I should get it. I've seen some of my fellow influencers trying it out, and there's that teal color in there, that fiery orangey red tone, which is the Aries one, I thought was pretty cool. There are some colors in here that I was like, you know, they'd be great. I like Kathleen Light's. I think she's really cute, but I haven't figured out if I'm going to buy it, and I don't know, I'm torn. This is the one collection I was torn because I wanted to get it. I was so gung-ho about it, and then the closer I get to it and the closer I thought about it, I was like, do I need it? Do I need it? So now I'm really, I don't know. I don't know. Do I need it? I need to know. We also do have the 20th, is it the 20th? Yes, the 20th anniversary collection by TwoFace, and when they launched some of their sneak peeks here a while ago, the palette is the #1 thing that caught my eye. I do know that it went, yes, on Sephora tomorrow. Well, the 2nd will officially launch, and then it's gonna and then August 3rd it'll launch in all other stores. So August 2nd for Sephora, August 3rd for everything else. But that palette, you guys, that is the one thing. The lipsticks are cute, the packaging is cute, but it is the palette itself that I'm like, oh my goodness, it looks adorable. I'm worried that it's going to be too good to be true, that just the packaging is going to be beautiful and some of the shadows are going to suck, but I'm almost tempted to try it out, which is why I'm kind of waiting until it launches on Sephora, because then if I don't like it, I can return it. But I do think I'm going to get this. Let me know your thoughts. Did you guys see the packaging on the 20th anniversary? I am so addicted to these, you guys. The original one, so good, so good. Okay, so the other one that we have here is the Fenty. Is this like a highlighter? The thing is so cool. Like, look at that. This is so cool. I saw it and I was like, that is bomb. I don't think I'm going to get it because I honestly don't ever see myself using it, but the idea of it looks really freaking awesome. It's $34. It is called the Diamond Ball Out, and it is a kilowatt multi-use highlighter. I love the packaging. I love the concept of it. I think it's a really pretty shadow, but I never wear silver, ever. Like, no reason to, unless it's Christmas, and I just don't ever see myself using it, so I'll definitely pass on it, but I had to mention it because the thing is so freaking pretty, you guys. So the other thing I wanted to talk about is the Kylie Cosmetics. Is it her 21st birthday? I don't know. Girl always has another collection coming out. I can't keep up with her. You guys know me. If you guys have followed me on my channel here for some time, I buy Kylie Cosmetics products like very sparingly. #1, I feel like she's super overpriced. #2, she's like, what, almost a billionaire? She don't need my money. She's doing just fine without it. But this is like one of the first products where I'm like, I'm gonna get it. I think I'm gonna get it. It's gonna have the 3 lip kits, 6 new matte lipsticks, Sipping Pretty eyeshadow palette. Yeah, that's the one. The Birthday Lip Trio, Champagne Showers highlighter, 3 liquid eyeshadows, and a birthday bag. because you need her birthday bag so you know when her birthday is. But let's talk about the one thing that I know I wanted to get out of this entire collection that I saw was that eyeshadow palette. Because the palette retails for $65, I don't feel like that is very expensive comparatively to other palettes. I believe the, what is it, the Huda Beauty one, the rose gold textured, and then her other one is like $62 to $65. It's right around in that same price point. And so I'm like, well, if I could spend money on that one, I might spend money on this one. This might be one of the first products where I might say, you know what, I'm going to test it out. I might buy it because I actually really like it. But I was watching another blogger, not a blogger, but I was watching somewhere on Instagram, and they had palettes like stacked up to each other. And one of them that they had stacked up was the Huda Beauty, hers, the new Born to Run palette by Urban Decay, maybe the Modern Renaissance, and the ABH Glow Glam. I don't know. It had like those new ones, right? And it is really similar to the rose gold textured and her other one, the dusk one. You guys know what I'm talking about. Her two palettes, that Huda Beauty palettes. They kind of have colors in there that are very similar except the pinks, but I was kind of bummed because I saw it and I was like, oh, well, that is kind of similar. But nowadays, it's so hard to find a palette that isn't going to be somewhat comparable or easy to find a dupe. There are such an abundance of eyeshadow palettes that I'm starting to just accept the fact that no matter what eyeshadow palette you find, you're probably going to find a dupe for it and just come to terms with it. So just at this point, just do you like it or do you not like it? Would you play with it? Would you not play with it? As somebody who hoards, is what I like to say, all the palettes that I do I need it? No, not at all. But as like a consumer and somebody that gets the satisfaction of buying makeup, I might buy it. I might say, you know what? I'm going to get it. That's all I have right now for my makeup hot releases and what's coming out. Oh, no, I lied. I have one more. Let me know. Here's the biggest one. The biggest one, which is the entire reason why I did this video. The Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Palette Vault. Are you guys going to get it? I need to know. Because I was like, I want to get it. I had planned to buy it. Then you got all that bad PR press. They were really terrible eyeshadows. And I'm like, what are your guys' thoughts? Do you guys plan to get it? It's obviously very similar to her palette. I need to know if you guys are planning to get it or if you guys already have her other Jaclyn Hill palette and if you guys are just planning to stick with it. Or like pics of this and that. If I get any of them, you guys already know I'm going to get the purples and maybe the greens. Well, then I should probably get the other two because it doesn't make sense for me just to get three. I can't make a decision right now. I say I'm not going to buy it, but I can't make a decision. But I need to know down below if you guys are going to buy it. So that is my very last one. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And make sure to subscribe before you guys head out because you guys know you want to and you want to be a part of my family. Anyways, besides that, I'm done talking, yapping your ear off. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.